G'day folks. Well, I decided to put another light over the lathe. It's one that my neighbour gave me. It's an old Coles supermarket light. These are the ones that V8 Jagnut, also known as Brad, gave me. Big thanks to him for these, because this one here is actually a 5-foot waterproof, and the rest of these are standard 4-foot in ceiling, like in suspended office ceilings and normal open mount. So I'm going to set these up along the carport, waterproof one outside and the others in here. So we should have a good amount of lighting by the time I'm done. This lathe needs to be moved back against the wall once I'm done cleaning it. So I'll have 2 of those concealed lights end to end above it. And for now, I'm going to try and run it with this. The Morris 1100 that I've been cleaning up over the last couple of years. I've mounted pulley on the clutch drive end. I've actually bypassed the clutch plate and everything, that's just floating around in there. So if you hear a loud clunk, it just means that that's floating around. The rest of the engine's not bad. I think the carby needs a good clean. It's got some dust in it. Excuse me, at the moment I've got a bit of a bad throat and other nonsense going on, but we'll cut to the chase and get her running. Okay, well, she's hooked up alright. Dynabolted this thing to the floor. Used some surplus dynabolts. It's not really screwed to the floor, it's just pegged in place by these stops. Should stay there long enough to do the test. Don't know how the engine's going to go, I haven't rebuilt it, and it doesn't like running with low oil pressure. Makes a lot of knocking noises, so could kill it or could work. Well, I guess if it wasn't out of fuel, it might work. Let's try again with some fuel added. Well, it works. Unfortunately that motor's going to throw a rod out if I push it any harder. So, I think I'll stick with electric motor. Thanks for watching. And well, I guess the good news is you can look forward to a disassembly video on this one. Since I can't bring myself to detonate it like a hand grenade, I'm actually going to fix it up. Such a neat little power plant.